Hello everybody, it's 1st April 2021. Me and my friend Aryan, we just arrived to make our training. Yesterday was a free day for us because we already do 8 or 9 days with training, so we also rest. And the team was changed by base and the camp from Erbil to Baghdad. So the team now is in Baghdad, and still they didn't leave us. They didn't give us the coach, the doctors, vise, nobody. We arrived here in the stadium of Divania Football Club to make our training and do our job professionally. And this is just the proof that they didn't treat us like they need. So this is very unprofessional, and I hope this video will make me to show the people what's happening here exactly. Thank you. Hello everybody, today is 30 March 2021. Me and my friend Aryan, he's there like always. We just arrived to have our training. Also today the team is still in the camp in Erbil. We are here without the coach, without the physiotherapy, without the doctor, in the stadium of Al Divania Football Club. So we are here to do our job, our training, and about conditions you see everything. Thank you. Hello everybody, I just arrived. The team come back from Erbil and I'm here with my friend Adrian. So we just arrived to our training, but the club decision is that we don't need to have the training with the team, so they are there on the middle of the field. They have training, we are sitting here. They told us that this is our job here, so this is just the proof that we are out of the team. And my name is Nedo Turkovic, and this is Aryan Sevok. And thank you. Hello everybody, I just want to let you that they don't want us to come to training, and they are there. They have training, the team have training. So I'm waiting here in the room of the rest and waiting the end of the training. So that's until now. The football club, you see, Al Divania. The coaches tell me to stay here. Hello everybody, we are here in the stadium and they don't want to let us to have training again. So it's me, Aryan, and there is Bogdan also, the new one, the new guy. But they don't let us to come to the field, to the pitch. This is the video, and this is the guy also who don't want to give us. So that's just a proof about everything, you know. And today is 18 April, I think. Yeah, 18 April. Hello everybody, I'm here. Today is 15 April. They don't want to let me to come to the training. This is the proof that they don't want to let me to the field. So I'm here without training more than 20 days. This is video for FIFA to just let you know that how they treat me here in this club. So I hope this video will help you to show everybody how these people here treat us. So we are out of the field. So that's it. Hello everybody, today is 14 April. We are here in the stadium, me and Aryan. Salam alaikum, bro. The team have training there. The team have training there, so they are in the ground. We are out, they want to release us, but still we don't want to go without our documents and everything. So let's see what will happen soon. So just this is the proof they have the training, you know. Hello everybody, it's 13 April. Me and my friend Aryan, we are here. The whole team have meeting with the coach. We are still in the dressing room. He didn't call us. He don't call us because we need to be out of the team. That's all. I think that's enough for FIFA to send them the letter and to give me the new contract. that I'm free. Also for my friend Aryan, look, he used the mobile. This is the time of training, but we are still in the dressing room alone, without anybody.